Hello friends, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux Guide. Today we are going to learn about giving file permission using numeric mode. So before I start the video, we need to know few things, uh, such as that permission to a file and directory can also be assigned numerically. We have already learned chmod, then UGO, that is user group and others, or say all. You can say A also, it is up to you how you call. Plus R, say, and then file name, right? So this is the change mode, then user group others, changing permission. I mean giving permission such as write permission, read permission, whatever you want to give. We can do RWX also. So that's how we have done on my last video I have shown already. And then file name, so that's the format of it. Another format we have, where you can use chmod 444, then file name. That is another mode. This is the same way I can do, like this 4 is for user, this 4 is for group, and this 4 is for others. That means user, group and others have read permission for the file this way. So see, for your understanding, I have kept one figure in front of you which I have taken from Google. Here number 0 represents no permission, and 1 represent execute, 2 represent write, 3 represent execute and write, then 4 read, 5 read plus execute, 6 read write, 7 read write execute, which is with symbol you can express like this. Now say I have written over here chmod 764, then file name, whatever file name you want to give, you can give anything, sun, set a file name, whatever you want to give. Now if you compare with the figure of this one which I have taken from Google, here 7 means, here 7 represents your what, read write execute permission for your owner, then 6 represent read and write permission from group, and 4 represents others only can read the file, right, which is the file name is sun. So this file can be read by the read write and execute by owner, which is the main user, by group only read and write, no execution, and for others only read, no write or execute permission. Now let's try with this command with numericals. So first things first, so who am I, username, where I am in my home directory. Now create a file using touch, say sam, do ls minus ltr. So if you look at the file over here, sam file, by default we have given the permission for owner read write, for group read write, and for others read write. So if you convert this as a numericals, you can find like chmod, which it should be read write, so it will be 6, then again for group read write 6, and for others 4, and then same. If you do this, it will be same. Check with ls minus ltr, so it is the same, right? So this one, it was there by default and it is the same if you change like that also, because 6 is 4 represents that only. 6 represent for read write, again 6 read write for group, and for last one 4 represents by others, right? So I'll do one thing over here. I'll change the permission for the file chmod, then 764 sam. If I do this, what will happen? Owner will have read write execute permission, group will have only read write, and others will have only read, no write or execute permission, right? So do press enter, then ls minus ltr. If you check, now this permission has been changed. It was read write for user who was owner, so now it has been changed to rwx, so read write execute. Then group was only for read write, it was same, and it is same now also. For others it was read, now it is also read. So that's the way we can change it. Now let's clear the screen, clear, then do ls minus ltr sam file where we have read and execute, and say we'll change this permission for everybody, no permission. So for that chmod, then we put 0 0 0 for everybody, means owner, group and others, and then put the file name again, sam. Do again ls minus ltr sam. See, everybody has zero permission over here. In case of owner, same. For user or groups, others groups is same, and for others also it's same. So no permission has been given to the file, so it is not accessible even. Now say I'd like to give the permission for owner only read and write. Rest I'll not give any sort of permission. So for that I'll do chmod 600, then sam. Do ls minus ls sam. So this means I have given the permission owner only read and write, no execution, and for others and group, no permission at all. So that's the way to do the thing. Now suppose I want to give the permission for last three bits. That means for others I want to give read permission. For that, what we'll do chmod, then do 604. 6 means permission read and write, which is owner. Then 0 means no permission at all for the group, and 4 means I am giving only read permission for others, and give the file name sam. Now let's check once again. So see here, it is already been given. Read write permission was there, group no permission, and for others read permission already been given. Now say I want to give read permission for group as well. So for that, what we'll do, I'll do 644, right? 6 for read write for already owner, 4 means read for group, and again 4 read for others, and sam. So again do ls minus ltr. So read write permission for owner, read permission for group, and read permission for others. So that's how we deal with this command. Now let's change the permission once again. I'll give no permission for everybody. So chmod, then 0 0 0 sam. So no permission for everybody. Then I want to do only execution permission for everybody. So for that I'll do chmod 111, right? As per the table, is there 111, which means only execution permission for user, group, and others. Do that. So only execution permission has been given to that particular file. Now say I want to give read permission for user and others execution permission. For that, what will do? I'll do here only 5. So 5 means read and execute, and 1 same as group and others for only execute. Same, do that. See now here R and X has been given, read and execute to the user, group only execute, and others also only execute. So that is all about, folks. Now, if you want more help on this, if you are so confused regarding this, numbering and all for this calculation part, you can use CH mode calculator, which is available online. You can go through it also. You can give the permission for user group others, read, write, execute, whatever permission you want to give. Accordingly, the code will be generated. You can use that also. So it's available online, so you can go through it also. So that's all for today, folks. We'll meet with you soon with another video with another practical session. So if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it. So thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much.